Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the action button to run your favorite shortcut on the iPhone 15 series. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the settings app. Then in here, we're going to scroll down and tap on action button. In the action button setting page, swipe across until you can locate shortcut. Next, tap on choose a shortcut, and you can see in the list here there are a lot of different shortcuts that you could choose. So select a shortcut that you would like to use. So for example, if you want to open up a music playlist, you can do so. You can choose recently play or play music from your list. Now, because I do not have anything in here, that's why I could not select anything. Another thing that you can do is choose to open files or open code scanner, or create a new note, or open a book. So the options are vast, and you can do whatever you want to do. So set a timer. It is a programmable button, so you can do a lot of things with this feature. Here you can see I have set it to set timer. So if I press and hold on the action button, now it will open up the shortcut which allow me to set the timer. And that's it. So you can always go back in here and change the shortcut. So we could ask it to open up a book, play the current book, or open current. And if I press and hold on the action button, it will try to open up Apple Books. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.